Real estate term of the day, community association manager. Now, if you're going to manage more than 10 apartment buildings, and this is in the same location, or they have a budget of 100,000, then you're going to be required to get your community association management license, also known as CAM. But you really don't need it if you're going to manage your properties and they're spread out. You can manage a bunch of single families, a duplex, a triplex, a quadruplex, anything and everything you want. You could even manage commercial property. No CAM license is required. The CAM license only comes in if there's a budget over $100,000 or there is a 10-unit apartment complex in the same location, If not, you don't need the CAM license. However, if you're going to be in property management, it's a great license to have. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website.